Hello everyone and welcome to this video. In this video we will learn how to install Google Analytics 4 on Shopify Store. First of all, we have to enable this extension. Click on activate extension. So from here we have to enable it and save. And you will see if I reload this page, this banner will disappear from here. So the banner is gone, and now I have to change the measurement ID. I have to move my analytics account in. So here is my official demo store. In admin, I have to move to data stream. In data collection, click on data stream, and here I will get my measurement ID. Click on it. Copy the measurement ID and paste it in the app like this and save it. Now I have to copy this additional script and click on checkout setting. Here I have to scroll down and paste it over here and save. If you have previously pasted any additional script over here, you can paste the new one below the previous script. Okay, now close this. So here you can see events have been selected by default. This was all about the app setup. Now we have to move to the extension. The extension is installed, that is Tag Assistant Companion, and you can see some of the users are satisfied and some are not, because it is new in the market. And previously we were using Tag Assistant Legacy, and that is no more in use, that is expired. You can see these extensions were used previously. So now we have to copy the store URL and click on extension. Here we have to add our domain. Click on connect. Open any product. You can see our extension is connected. Click on continue. You can see page view is fired here, and let me confirm my analytics ID R64, and if I move to my analytics, check the ID, it also ends at R64, so the ID is same. Now let me perform any event in my online store. Open any product, add to cart. If I move to the extension, you can see add to cart, view item, page view. Now if I click on checkout, begin checkout is also tracked. So likewise all the events will track over here. Let me make a dummy purchase over here. We are in the thank you page, and if I reload this page, it will disappear from here, and you can see purchase event is also here. So all the events have been tracked likewise, and you can see I have reloaded the page and thank you is disappeared. So this is how our app. So I hope you have got the idea how to install Google Analytics 4 on Shopify by using our app. So I hope you will enjoy the experience. Do share your feedback. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.